Welcome back. In this mini screencast, we'll get started entering data. Before you begin entering data, you'll want to think about which residents you want to track and identify just a few to get started with. If you haven't already, check out the implementation tips from the pilot testers posted on the same page where you found this screencast. As we saw in the orientation screencast, we'll start by clicking the button My Residents to access the user forms for data entry. The very first time, and only the first time, you click this button, you'll be asked if you want to import data from another tracking tool. If you're currently using a version of the campaign's medication tracking tool, reply yes and follow the prompts. All applicable information from that workbook will be used to populate this workbook. Otherwise, reply no, and again that you're sure, no. Then we choose the time frame for this tool. Choose carefully. You won't be able to change the range after you click OK. I'm going to choose February 2019 through January 2020. Click Select. It confirms that we've selected our time frame. And now we land on the Select Individual screen. The very first time you come to this screen, it will look empty like this. To begin adding residents, click the Add Individual button, complete the required fields, and click Add. This puts you in the user form. If you like, you may stop here and enter just that much information: name, most recent admission date, and stay type for all of the residents you want to track, and then come back and complete the rest of their record. To return to the Add Individual screen, click the Edit Another Record in the upper right. I'm going to do that now so we can see how it will work. Notice when I return to the Add Individual screen, we can see our first resident's name on the list. We can choose to double-click her name to reopen the user form, to add, edit, or view information. So we can do that. Or we can add another person. Thank you for watching, and please continue to the screencast, working with the user forms before adding additional information.